Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I just want to do a quick video about exhausts because I found a weird little problem that if you have an aftermarket exhaust you might run into. But basically, if you look where my exhaust is underneath here, there is a gap where the heat shield is. So I'll circle it right there, so that gap. And when I go on long drives, like 4 hours or more, like constant running, it gets so hot that it started to kind of burn into my floor. So you can see the discoloration in the floor there where it's literally gotten so hot that it's burnt that. So this happens if you have an aftermarket exhaust maybe and you have a gap like mine. I never really thought it'd be an issue, and it's not a crazy issue, but I found this product. It's called HeatShield, and they have different types, but basically I bought this big piece and I cut it down, and I'm just going to set it right over the muffler. And it's supposed to keep all the heat from basically escaping up to my floor mat and hopefully not burning the floor mat. And you just need some nice hose clamps, some stainless hose clamps to clamp that thing down. Definitely the hose clamps I have were not good enough. I just couldn't get them to bite, so I would just invest in some nicer ones. I'm gonna go and get some better ones after. But for the video, I just showed that, you know, you snug them down, should be good enough. But definitely use some power tools. I blew it with not having the power tools, but I'm gonna skip ahead anyways. Alright, so this is how I'm fastening it for now. My hose clamps were not good enough. I'll have to get better ones, but quick little startup. It definitely worked after I let my truck run for a bit, and then I put my hand on top of that. Literally, I could touch it, and it wasn't even hot, and the muffler was nice and warm, so